Hi all. So today we are going to look at accrued interest function in Excel. So let's consider a bond, and in case of this bond, let's say the issue date is 01/01/2020. Day the bond is issued. Now it's a semi-annual coupon bond, so first interest will be paid after 6 months. So first interest date becomes 30th. So let's say if suppose there is an early settlement in case of a bond. So, like in this case, the settlement date is given to be 0803. Obviously, when there is an early settlement, there is no coupon payout. So, when there is no coupon payout, because first coupon paid to be scheduled was at 30th June. So, in this case, there is a concept of interest which is being accumulated. This is referred to as accrued interest. When the settlement of the bond happens, along with the payment of the market price, there is a payment of accrued interest that also comes in with respect to the buyer to the seller, the bond. Now, other data that I have over here is the annual rate, which is the interest rate, 5% annually. Par value, which is the principal face value, 1000. And since it's a semi-annual coupon bond, frequency is 2. Now, suppose if I now want to determine the accrued interest, so equal to ACCIRNT is the name of the function. So this is the issue date, first settlement date, first interest date rather, sorry. This is the settlement date. Rate is given to be 5%. Par value 1000. Frequency 2 since it's a semi-annual. And basis is the day count convention. So if we don't give it, by default it is 0. That is US 30/360. Let's say if we give it actual by actual. So it takes in the actual number of days. Along with for 2, it starts with the issue date. For 1, it starts from the first interest. So what I'm getting is accrued interest to be 9.11. So this is the interest that is being paid from the buyer to the seller along with the market value. So this is how we compute accrued interest in Excel. Thank you for your time.